So today I'm going to show you how to merge layers in Photoshop, and this is something you'll do all the time when working in Photoshop, so it's something you really need to know. And it's very simple. So here I have an image with lots of different layers, and what I want to do is I want to merge the surfboard with the boy, and they are on different layers at the moment. So what you need to do is make sure that they're composed the right way with the one that you want in front and the one that you want in back. So I want the surfboard in front of the boy, so it is on top of him in the layer stack. And then I just select one of the layers and then Control select the other, or Shift select if they're next to each other, but Control select in this case because we have a shape in between them. So after that, you're going to right click on your mouse and select Merge Layers. You can also, and I'm going to do that, perfect. You can also do the keyboard shortcut for this. So let's Control Z our way out of this. And we're going to try again, but this time I'm going to Control select both and then hit Control E on my keyboard. And that shortcut also combines them. So you can either do the right click method or the Control E method. Either is good. You end up with what you want. But let's say you want to combine everything you see. Everything you are seeing, you want to be one image. That is also doable and very simple. So as you can see, I've got some things hidden on my layers. Right here is just a reference image. I don't want that to be part of it, so I'm going to hide that with the visibility off. And then I'm going to make sure it looks the way I want. I'm going to go back into my layers, right click over any layer, doesn't matter which one, and select Merge Visible, or Shift Control E if you like shortcuts. So Merge Visible. And there we go. We have everything combined into one layer, which is great. If you're finished with your project, you just want it to be a single layer here. And also, all of my my hidden items remain as layers. And, you know, if they were on top, they'd be visible. So that's it. I hope that you guys found this useful, and I hope that you join me for more videos as I learn Photoshop and beyond and all sorts of CGI. Thanks for watching.